Welcome back to our Facebook page, friends. We are going to make this glitter scale. We are going to paste a double-sided tape on this transparent sheet. Then we are going to paste it. Now you can put glitters inside it from one end like this. Put colorful glitters like this. We are also putting these cat like this. And after that we are going to paste it and seal the other end as well. Now we are going to put this white sticker like this around it and write numbers on it like this. Also paste a Pokemon sticker and look, it is ready. Look at this very cute bunny shaped pen toppers. Let's make it. Take a round shaped plastic cup and fill it with colorful glitters like this. Cover it from its side like this. We are using an orange strip. After that we are going to cut the shape of a bunny like this from a craft paper. Draw the ears and color it and paste it like this. Draw its face like this. Now we are going to roll a strip of paper around a pen and look, it is almost ready. Let's make these colorful bracelets. We are going to take this colorful thread like this. You can easily get it from your local store. Now make a loop like this and remove the other end and tie a knot like this. You will get a beautiful pattern. Look how we are doing here. It is very easy to make and look, it is ready. Finally tie a knot and look, it is ready. Then we are going to put the thread inside the other end like this and you can easily tie a knot like this. You can easily adjust it. In this video, we are going to make a multicolor beautiful bracelet. Let's make it. Pick two rubber bands. Now we are going to put another rubber band inside one like this. Fold it like this and start covering it like this and make a chain. Look how we are doing here. You don't have to tie a knot at the starting. Then we are going to tie a knot at the end like this and look, it is ready. Finally, we are going to tie a knot like this and look, it is done. Let's make this beautiful craft. Look how pretty these colors are looking. Take a transparent sheet of paper. Then we are going to paste double-sided tape on its corners and paste it like this. We are going to put these colorful balls from other side of the tube like this. Fill it like we are doing here and seal the corner like this using double-sided tape. We are going to paste these stickers on both sides. Cut it and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.